So what's the fastest car you've been in?
Probably like one of them, what's the Charger that got the little cat on the side? that was it? Like that?
No, you gotta.
No, you gotta be the front. Yeah.
This is about food.
Oh, this ride so smooth.
It is such a smooth
It is
car.
so smooth.
But you pay for that. You
Oh,
pay
I'm
for that
sure,
not
I'm
smoothness.
sure,
You pay for that.
What's the fastest you went so far?
That's gonna be a bleep bleep for now. I haven't done anything crazy. Like
Oh,
just
okay.
nothing crazy.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm pacing myself.
Yeah.
I don't go too crazy in it yet.
I like to go crazy. No, I think I probably did about mine. Oh, bleep bleep.
Go ahead and drop it down into sports.
Okay.
You see it's already.
Oh, yeah. Oh, she ready.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I love that sound. Yes.
Slow down just a little bit so you can hear it.
Oh, yeah. Sound good.
Like I said, that's still not like the most aggressive mode, because when you put it in track, that's when the suspension firms up and it gets stiff, and when you hit bumps it hurts, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's designed for obviously going around tight corners. We'll go ahead and put it in that in track.
So what exactly is that? Like, if I wanted to put some on my car like that to make it have that sound, what is that called? Like, what is
The little like cracks and pops.
like the when it's revving? Is that something you can put? Because I know some people get their cars like, you know, to make it sound loud.
You might have to go get a scat.
Oh no.
Go get you could do a muffler.
She could, but I don't think it'll have the same effect though.
Yeah.
There's no promise that it'll have the same effect as something like this. So you might have to,
Go ahead and upgrade her a little bit.
I had to pop out on them.
My car done been broken into 1,000,000 times already. I can't imagine if I had that.
Yeah.
But yeah, I like that. What you think, Zach? You like that?
Yeah.
So it already came with the sound, with the everything. Okay.
And this is also the 1LE, so it's like the track pack. So it comes with like the stickier, wider tires and the bigger brakes and all of that. Like, it's supposed to be like a track car. So whenever you see a Camaro with like the black hood and the gray wheels and all that,
Oh, you know it's something.
It's something.
It ain't the little one.
Yeah,
Yeah, I love that sound.
Oh yeah, it's priceless. Every time I put to the gas pump, I'm like, you know what, it's worth it.
Let's go ahead. Yeah, I love that.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of sauce. All right.
You ready? I'm ready. Oh my goodness. Wow. And you got a 12 in like what, 3 seconds?
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
It's a little bit of a jet. It
It is.
really
It's
goes.
a little bit of a jet. It don't take no time to get up.
Yep, and then you can just go back to driving normal like nothing ever happened.
It got up in speed so quick, and it's not a whole bunch of like this, you know, the jerk, and it's like a smooth transition. I love it. What you think, Zach? You alright back there?
I think it's a good like introduction for me. I didn't go straight for, there are faster versions of this car, but I think it's a good introduction for me, somebody who's never had something like of this nature. I didn't go straight toward the thing with the little cat on the side, you know.
So what to fill it up? Like you don't have to put premium. You can put regular. Or you can
I gotta put premium. Yeah.
You gotta put. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So it's $70
To fill up.
$70 to fill up.
Sheesh.
You know, you gotta pay to play.
Yeah, you definitely gotta pay to play. Man, you got me ready to switch over.
Well, you know, what, time for a Camaro? Give it a try.
Maybe.
Give it a try.
Maybe I'll wear this shirt again when I purchase one. You gonna tint it out, or you gonna leave it like?
I'm gonna tint it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm just being cheap right now.
Oh, okay.
Just $70 to fill up. So I'm like, all right, let me scratch the pennies. So I think having the windows tinted would kind of set it off, because you know it's got the black accents already.
Definitely.
So.
It would definitely set it off. You don't do the windshield though, right? You just do the. I'm thinking about getting my windshield tinted actually.
I like to do it.
I think so. I think I'm gonna get it, and then it keeps the car cooler. But yeah, I think I'm gonna tint my windshield.
How much are you gonna tint it? Is it gonna be like ridiculous, or is it gonna be like?
It's not gonna be ridiculous.
Okay.
I have on mine now, but oops.
Okay.
I mean, I always stay with the legal side, so you know it's not gonna be nothing crazy. Whatever legal is what it's gonna be. I keep forgetting that thing right there. Let me just be quiet and enjoy my ride.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'll get as dark as I can go, but I don't know about the windshield. I'm kind of scared.
Yeah.
I'm afraid of it being too dark, honestly, because like at least with these I can just roll the windows down if it's, you know, a little dark. But
this is a nice car.
oh, it's great. Best money I ever spent.
Yeah, it's nice. I don't even want to ask what your payment's looking like, but
Don't do that to
like
me.
you say, you gotta pay to play. Yeah, this thing get up in no time. I'm just watching the speed. It don't take nothing. Yeah, it's so smooth. So smooth. Do they have like tracks anywhere in Georgia where you can go and like just fly around as fast as you want to go?
Fly around. They do, yeah.
Where is that at? I would love to do that.
That's the one that I went to. I haven't taken this car up there yet. Atlanta Motorsports Park.
Okay, I'm gonna have to look into that. And you can just go fast and do whatever. I want to do that so bad. We got to do that, Stone. We got to make a date.
Oh yeah,
to
for
do
sure,
that.
for sure.
Oh, I would love
For
to do that. Zach, you there?
Yeah.
Because if you see how I drive, you probably like, wait. I love to go fast. No, I don't. I keep forgetting. No, I don't. I go the speed limit at all times.
You love to go fast on a closed course.
Yes. Oh, I love it. And it gets up in no time. Like, sheesh, a couple seconds. But you always been in the car, Stone, from like forever. This has always been your thing. So next time I want to get me something, I'm gonna have to consult with you first.
Okay, yeah.
Cause I just buy it. I was like, okay, it look cute. Okay,
It look cute.
It's like you got a V6, you got a V. I'm like, a V what? No, I just put gas in it and go. I don't know what that is.
Oh my goodness.
I don't pop the hood or nothing. I don't know what it look like under there.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, let me know. I'll go with you.
Yeah, I'm about to take you with me. I want something to sound just like this when I take off. What mode we in now? Oh, never mind.
It's fun to mess with people because, like, obviously for y'all, like, y'all are in control of it, so y'all aren't expecting when I do the little like. So I'll just bully whoever's in the passenger seat.
This thing is so low, Zach, gonna give me a minute. This thing
It runs pretty good. It's a good little car.
It's a great car. Runs really good.
Thank you. Uh-huh.
See, I'm on all this. No, why you didn't tell me all this when I got my car? I'm on these.